crisp and juicy, whatever the time of year outside. Nothing to hunt, Perrin growled, then looked
Fucking hell.
He is mad, Maureen said, or close to it. But there is nothing simple about Padang Faye. One of the black and gold liveried servants bowed his way.
Fucking hell.
Child, I should have stopped this when I had the chance. When I first noticed that reverberation, it came back. That is what happened. It came back 1,000-fold, 10,000. The Terangrial almost seemed to shut off the flow from Saidar, but brought itself through the floor.
Fuck, cunt.
You have my apologies, though words are not
What
enough.
are you doing?
Not for what almost happened to you. I say this, and by the first oath you know it is true. To show my feelings, I will ask the mother to let me share your time in the kitchens. And yes, your visit to Shiriam, too. Had I done as I should, you would not have been in danger of your life.